guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove song from Telegram profile. So first thing you have to do is open up your Telegram app just like this, and once you open it up you go straight to your profile right below and make sure your Telegram app is up to date. So just go to your Play Store, Apple Store and search for Telegram and update it. So click on profile right there and you can see the song right below your profile. You press on it, right, and you can see these three dots right below, and you click on that, and once you click on that you can see forward, share, save to music, Chromecast, remove from profile. So you click on remove on profile and it's going to be removed instantly from your profile, and you will not get that song on your profile anymore, and no one is going to see it anymore. So you can just have to go back and just refresh, and once you come back to your profile you won't find it there anymore. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. This minutes video. Bye.